So I've got this cedarwood cigar humidor with a digital hygrometer. It has a lot of drawers and gold-plated hardwares and a lot of things. Let's unbox it and check it out. So as you can see, it's very well packed. Slowly take it out. It looks really good. That's how it looks from the front. Really nice cedarwood here. We've got a drawer right here, the hygrometer. Then you can see some stitches on the side. Really nice. And the back here. And that's the bottom, which is soft. It's for not sliding around. Right, so let's open this up. It has a really nice smell. This is a divider. It can hold 50 to 75 cigars. And we've got another divider here. And that's everything that we get inside. Cigar humidor. You set the humidifier. This is everything you have to do. You even have this for water, which is really good. A battery as well. It comes with a battery for the digital hygrometer, which goes right inside there. I can see that it already has a battery, so this is a spare. And this is the drawer as well, bottom drawer. There you go, really nice and soft. So as you can see, this is made from like quality materials, which allow a natural aroma. Like I said, it smells very good. So it will maintain the cigars fresh while also allowing for some ventilation. It has a robust tempered glass door. So this is tempered glass. So this ensures that you can check your humidity changes and see that your collection is safe. So the dimensions of this are 30 centimeters by 23 by 16.3. So these are like the overall exterior dimension. And also, like I told you, you have these dividers, so you can put some of your favorite cigars in one side and then use the other side for the other cigars. So I have this additional drawer that can store items like cigar cutters, lighters, and cigar cases. So what I like about this is that this is a great gift for fathers and for friends that you know have and love cigars. So it has this elegant walnut design outside. As you can see, it is made from cedar, but it has this elegant walnut design outside, and it's a secure compact storage.